right, so when you think of a length of a workshop, it's 1 to 3 days, depending on the objectives and the size of a team. And there are breaks in a workshop. It's never a full 8-hour day.
So you can hold a design thinking workshop whenever you have a problem you need to create or ideate on achievable, user-focused solutions to a problem. So, depending on where your project stands in the design thinking process, you can use the workshop to produce anything from early strategic requirements to detailed wireframes. So my personal recommendation is the earlier the better. So I wouldn't say there's a bad time to have a workshop for these types of things, but I would say that the earlier the better, because you'll be able to lay down the foundation for what you're trying to achieve, and you'll be able to ideate and solution and innovate earlier on rather than going through an entire process without it and then trying to understand what went wrong at the end. So it kind of helps you get that leg up and it benefits you in that way. So there are a lot of benefits to holding a design thinking workshop for both your product or service and your team. So firstly, you gain team alignment, which is huge. I can't tell you how many times I've facilitated workshops for companies where each function of the team had a different idea of what they were trying to achieve. And the workshop actually helped them realize that. So alignment is a must for the success of a project. So design thinking workshops, they also allow the team to develop a culture of innovation and foster collaboration, which breaks silos within the team. And a team that can be more innovative and collaborative definitely gives you a competitive edge. And because of all these types of workshops in nature reduce risk by using a collaborative and iterative approach.